All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking super efficiency tips. All right, super efficiency tips. Tip number one, don't ever take out the trash. Just chuck it at the trash can, somebody will clean it up. Tip number two, don't ever refill the towel dispenser because you're not going to need it later. Same goes for toilet paper. Tip number three, don't ever put equipment up. Just shove it over into your side of your bay and leave it there. You'll probably need it later. And of course, the number one tip, which would be number four, don't keep your tools clean and organized and your roll cart set up correctly. Obviously, this is a parody. Hope you like it.